Vinita, you're officially a certified drone pilot now. That's incredible.
It's a dream come true. I've always imagined capturing the world from above. And now I finally have the opportunity to do it.
That kind of dream takes more than passion. How did you plan for it financially?
I started investing with a clear goal in mind. As part of my portfolio, I considered investing in a focused fund, which typically invests in not more than 30 stocks. Since these are equity oriented and market linked investments, returns are subject to market risks and may vary.
So it was about staying committed to the goal?
Exactly. Staying consistent with investments and being patient over time might have helped me work towards building the corpus required for my goal. It's important to align investments with one's risk profile, time horizon, and overall financial plan. On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.